Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. I'm a co-founder of Fundo Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode of my humble and our platform. Here, let's talk about how to make money online, how to start a dollar arbitrage, and a lot. So today, I want to show you how you can create a crypto wallet on Telegram and start doing P2P to make profits. So you have to follow my step. People saying, like how can you create a P2P platform or a P2P wallet on Telegram? That's why I said watch this video carefully and you'll know it. So first of all, open Telegram. You see, I've opened Telegram. So this Telegram. Then I'll go to the search button. So I'll click on here to search button and I'll search for wallet. So obviously we have different types of wallets over here. So I'll search for the wallet verified. So obviously I said store, send and exchange crypto assets inside Telegram. Then I'll click on start. So I'll click on what wallet and launch. So wallets in Telegram made more crypto easy to buy, send to friends. So I'll click on what. So purchase Bitcoin, Tonecoin, and USDT by card or via p2p market. Then I'll click on what. Let's go. Add wallet shortcut to Telegram settings. So I can add the shortcut or you can do it later. Yeah. So right now this is my wallet. Have you seen it? So this is my wallet. So if I want to add crypto, I'll click on add crypto and I'll either add it from bank card or p2p market. So if I click on the p2p market, that place I have to buy it from the market. So buy. So I've seen that it's in euros. So I can change the currency to Ghana cedis over here. So I can search for Ghana cedis. This naira. So naira, like naira, this naira. So let me choose USDT. So yeah, I can't see Ghana cedis in it, but I can't remember if saw Ghana cedis in it. Yeah, so let me check. Let me check. Pampay, MTM money here. Yeah. Then I'll search for. I'm coming. Mounts. I'm coming. The reason why it's not coming is that I've choose mobile money is the other thing. I'll choose mobile money. But me, that's how I always do it. I put the money in here and do the P2P, so I can do that. Add crypto by external wallets. You see that in external wallet. So this, then TRC20, then they will generate this thing for me. You see that thing. So they will generate this thing, and I'll copy my address and I'll put money inside. Simple as that. Yeah. So I can go to, like, let's say I can copy this thing and go to Binance and deposit money inside this account. You see. So let me go to Binance. So I'll go to wallets and I'll go to So since I'm sending the money, so I'll go to send, right? Yeah. I'll choose USDT. I'll just send via crypto wallet or network. So then I'll paste the long address over here. Then I'll choose TRC. Then the amount 10. You see. So the network fee is 1. So they'll receive 10. Then I'll withdraw it. Simple as that. Yeah. So since Nigerian, like, there is no Binance over there to do your P2P, I think this platform is very good for you to start your P2P journey. Yeah, to start your P2P journey, because on this platform you can exchange your ton address to USDT. You can choose BTC. You see, you can exchange this thing all on the Telegram, Yeah. So like, this how you get your. So like, if I even close it right now, I have Telegram wallet over here. So I'll click on the wallet and taking me to my wallet. So that thing taking me to my wallet, so you can save money here, do everything over here. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out. God bless you.